What's happening, guys? Now, last week I created a cinematic video using my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and ever since I've uploaded that video I got thousands of requests asking for me to do a tutorial. Well, not thousands, just two people. Yeah, anyway, namely JK Studios and HM asked for me to do a tutorial asking how I did it, especially the color grading part. So in this video I'm going to show you how simple it is for you to make your own cinematic videos using any smartphone for that matter, but specific steps are going to be taken for footage recorded in 4K 60 and HDR. If you haven't seen that video, by the way, click on the link above. But even so, I'm just going to quickly show you a short clip of how the end result looks like, so check it out. So what do you think? Looks awesome, doesn't it? Well, let me show you how simple it is. Let's jump on the computer. So guys, drag all your clips onto your computer using AirDrop, and these are all your clips that I recorded. As you can see, I've just recorded some simple angle clips, and each clip is no more than 10 seconds long, and they are all 4K 60. And by the way, all these clips were recorded handheld, so no gimbal was used. All of them was handheld, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max has impressive stabilisation with the lens shift technology, etc. And also I've just used the standard camera app, so I didn't use no Filmic Pro or anything like that. So all standard, all automatic, just to see how everything performs, which was very impressive. So my favorite type of angles and the clips that I like to record is revealing shots, such as this one, when you're going from left to right or right to left and revealing the foreground and background, etc. And as you can see, if you've seen my video, you can see that I've done I love the angles and the panning of these types of clips. So as you can see, the leaves are out of focus and the background is in focus, so just impressive. And as well, close-up shots such as this. So throughout the whole, all of the clips were recorded either telephoto lens or the wide. I think I only did one ultra wide, which was this bridge shot, and everything else was recorded using the telephoto or the wide. This was recording ultra wide. So now let's open our Final Cut Pro, and again, any editing software of your choice, and I'm using Final Cut Pro. So let's drag all of our clips onto our project here. As you can see, they all look blown out because they are HDR videos, so we will have to adjust that once we enter the clips onto our timeline. So let's create a new project first. So let's just call it cinematic video. Leave it at 4K, and 24p is the frame rate that you want. Click OK. So in the video clip that you saw, the cinematic video you saw, my first clip was this one. So as you can see, it's quite blown out. It's very bright, so let's adjust this first. We don't want any noise, so we can just get rid of that. So first of all, we need to adjust the brightness. So under exposure on master, we need to change that to -50. And now the footage looks okay. Now, rather than adding all the footage all at once, I did it one at a time, and I just copied and pasted the effects onto the rest of the videos, and I'll show you exactly how I did that. So this footage is currently 2 seconds long, and because it's recorded in 4K 60, we want to change this to 40%. So click on this time icon and change to custom to 40%. Okay, now this footage is 5 seconds long, and it's got nice slow motion effect onto it. Looks beautiful. So the next thing we want to do is add our LUT, which is a lookup table. So this will basically just change the whole color grading automatically. You don't have to do it manually. So to add the LUT on Final Cut Pro, I'm using a free plugin called MLUT by Motion VFX. I'm going to add a link in the description for you to download it yourself as well. So this is just the plugin to add the custom LUTs. So once you've added this LUT on the plugin onto your clip, now you want to go onto your effects panel and choose MLUT presets. And my favorite is the Sedona LUT, the standard one. So as you can see, it looks very impressive. And by the way, this Sedona LUT is also free. I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can download it. So all I've done is just added this LUT, and now you can see the color grading is done automatically. I have not had to touch anything in the color panel apart from decreasing the overall exposure. So that's all it is. And then the next bit is just adding the rest of the videos. And instead of doing all those steps again, copy this clip. So Command and C, and then which is Option, Command and V. So those, whatever we added to our first clip will automatically be added to this other clip as well. Awesome. So same again, one by one, add your other clips as well, and Option, Command V, and pasting all the effects on the previous, just from the previous clip. Just like that, all the clips will have the same special effects pasted. The next thing I want to show you is how I got the anamorphic look, the ratio 235:1, and all you do is click on your effects, all effects, and search for letterbox. Just drag that onto the clip, and in the letterbox section change that to 235:1, the ratio 235:1, and as you can see, it's done that beautifully. After you've added your desired amount of clips, add your favorite music, and then now click export. Export file, and it should be exporting in 4K at 24p into your desired folder, and that's it, done. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked it, do hit that like button. It does help the channel out a lot, and if you haven't already done so, why not consider subscribing to my channel, as there's plenty more content coming up. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon to be one of the first to know when my videos are out. So until next time, take care.